Hello, and welcome to another Bitcoin update as we head into the weekend. I hope you have a great one. In this video, I'll focus on Bitcoin's microstructure. Currently, Bitcoin remains in the micro support zone we've discussed for the Wave 4 pullback. We're monitoring whether the yellow scenario is unfolding. In this scenario, the price peaked in a Wave 1 around May 6th, followed by a Wave 2 pullback. The third wave topped shortly after, though it was slightly short but still within acceptable limits. The fourth wave pullback reached its low on Thursday, and I mentioned then that the ideal turnaround spot would be between the 50% and 38.2% Fibonacci levels, which is typical for a fourth wave. We should still see a fifth wave unfold, although this is all about probabilities. While I don't particularly like the structure's appearance, I'm inclined to expect further upside as long as the micro support area holds. A break below this support would indicate that we've topped in Wave B, leading to a short-term bearish scenario. If the price breaks below 64, 66, or 360, we may head down towards the 38.2% retracement of the larger cycle, around 55.3K or even 50.7K. This micro support zone is crucial, so don't confuse it with the broader support areas. Welcome to another Bitcoin update as we head into the weekend. I hope you have a great one. In this video, I'll focus on Bitcoin's microstructure. Bitcoin is currently in the micro support zone for the Wave 4 pullback we've been discussing. We're watching to see if the yellow scenario is unfolding. In this scenario, the price peaked in a Wave 1 around May 6th, followed by a Wave 2 pullback, and then a third wave top, which was slightly short but acceptable. The fourth wave pullback hit its low on Thursday, which I mentioned would be an ideal turnaround spot between the 50% and 38.2% Fibonacci levels, typical for a fourth wave. A fifth wave should still unfold, although this is all about probabilities. While I don't particularly like the structure's appearance, I'm inclined to expect further upside as long as the micro support area holds. A break below this support would indicate that we've topped in Wave B, leading to a short-term bearish scenario. If the price breaks below 64, 66, or 360, we may head down towards the 38.2% retracement of the larger cycle, around 55.3K or even 50.7K. The main support and micro support are crucial here. The micro support is just for this micro pattern to keep the uptrend going. A break below it will drop us back into the larger structure of a possibly still unfolding fourth wave. At the moment, we are moving away from the micro support level, so I am exploring whether the fourth wave has bottomed. In my earlier videos, I suggested that this could be a 1-2 setup, and in the third wave, we could reach that trend line, which has happened. Now, we possibly have 3 waves up completed, though I would prefer one more high in this third wave. It needs to turn around now. It's possible that the third wave has already topped. It reached the 1.236 extension but didn't quite hit the 1.38, which is acceptable for a third wave. If this is now the fourth wave, it needs to hold at 67, 68, and then move to the upside. If we are in the larger degree fifth wave, it should minimally reach 76.2K. This means we might get one more push towards 69.9K over the weekend, forming 5 waves up. If that happens, I can provide the next support region. To make the yellow count plausible, I'd like to avoid another low. If another low occurs, it could still be part of a larger fourth wave, but it wouldn't look great. The next levels to watch are 65,740 and 64,360. Keeping the yellow count with decent probability means avoiding another low. We'll see how it develops, especially on typically quiet Saturdays. One more high would be great, maybe tomorrow. I'll keep you updated on the levels. If you like the update, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Also, follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot. Music. Hello and welcome to another Ethereum update as we head into the weekend. This week was great for ETH, especially at the beginning. The recent performance is promising, though the price still needs to form at least one more high to confirm that the larger degree fourth wave bottomed on April 13th. My focus is on further upside, especially as long as we're holding within the trend channel and above the support region. Yesterday, ETH faced strong selling pressure after an SEC announcement but maintained all support levels. I can identify a possible 5-wave move up from the low formed around 3,520, though the performance since then has been weak. I'm not fully convinced that we've bottomed in the 4th wave. If we take out yesterday's swing low, we might be in a larger degree 4th wave, but the support areas remain the same. Currently, we're moving up in this trend channel, and I'd like to see one more high. The 1-2 setup I mentioned earlier could lead to higher prices, potentially between $4,000 and $4,260. The invalidation point is yesterday's low, though I'd be concerned if the price breaks down from the trend channel. Late Friday and Saturdays are typically quiet, so we might see sideways movement or a break of the trend line. I'll keep you updated. If you like this update, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. For more content, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks. Today, I'm sending out our latest newsletter, which you'll only receive if you register on our website. To subscribe, scroll down to the newsletter section, not the contact form, and sign up. The newsletter will be delivered by email in a few hours. If you don't register, you won't receive it. The newsletter includes additional content, technical analysis articles, updates on MCO, mindset tips, and some fun stuff. This builds on last week's inaugural issue from our new website, with more to come. Check it out. Now, back to Ethereum. If we break below the trend line, as long as we don't take out yesterday's low, the idea of a 1-2 setup remains valid. Ideally, Friday's low at 3,627 should hold. The move up from the low has been weak and corrective, lacking strong momentum. To confirm we're in the 3rd wave, we need a rally above at least the previous swing high around 3,825, preferably 3,900, or ideally 3,950, which are the micro-resistances. If we take out Thursday's low, we are likely to test the area between 3,472 and 3,290. However, as long as we hold that support range, there's no confirmation of a substantial top. Only a break below 3,290 would suggest that the wave B has topped, as it would indicate only a 3-wave structure rather than a clear bottoming pattern. We need a 5-wave move up to confirm the bottom on April 13th, so a bit more patience is required. I'll continue providing relevant support regions and updates. If you like this update, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you enjoy the content, check out the channel membership and follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional updates. Thanks for watching.